If you've ever set up a new Windows PC, you might have noticed that Microsoft really encourages you to log in using a Microsoft account. At first, it seems convenient. You can sync your settings, access OneDrive, and use Microsoft services seamlessly. But today, we're going to explain why using a Microsoft account to log into Windows might not be the best idea for everyone, and what the risks are. The biggest concern is privacy and data collection. When you log in with a Microsoft account, Microsoft can track and store more of your activity across your device and its services. That includes app usage, settings, search history, and even some telemetry data. For people who care about privacy, this can feel intrusive compared to a local account, which keeps most of your activity confined to your device. Another issue is security and account dependency. If your Microsoft account gets compromised, locked, or flagged for suspicious activity, you could be locked out of your computer entirely. Even password resets can be tricky if you lose access to your recovery email or phone number. In contrast, a local account is independent. Your login credentials live only on your PC, so a problem with an online account won't prevent you from accessing your system. There's also the matter of account management and recovery. Using a Microsoft account ties your PC to an online identity. If you ever need to reinstall Windows, recover files, or troubleshoot, it can be more complicated. Some features like OneDrive Sync can create duplicate files or conflict with local copies, adding unnecessary headaches if you're not careful. Additionally, using a Microsoft account makes your device more connected to the cloud by default. While syncing settings and files can be convenient, it also means that your data is stored externally and could be affected by service outages or changes in Microsoft policies. If you prefer control over where your data lives, a local account keeps things on your PC only. So what's the alternative? Using a local Windows account is simple and effective. You still get full access to Windows features, install apps, and save files locally without sharing as much information online. You can always use Microsoft services separately, like OneDrive or Outlook, without tying them to your system login. This approach gives you more privacy, security, and control over your PC. In short, while logging in with a Microsoft account offers convenience and cloud integration, it comes with trade-offs in privacy, security, and control. If you value keeping your data local and your login independent, it's often better to stick with a local account and add cloud services only when needed. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe for more Windows tips and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.